So one of the types of tracing that you can do is an outline trace. So to do that, I'm going to go ahead and then import out an image that I want to go ahead and trace. So let's just go around and bring in this image right here, just like this, and click on import. And then I'm going to click and drag to import the image out. So now in order to do an outline trace of it, I'm going to go around over here onto the trace bitmap menu. And then I'm going to go to outline trace right here. So you can see that there's different sort of outline traces that you can do. So let's just go around with the line art right here, just like this. And then what happens is that it simply goes ahead and gives a preview at the bottom and side right here. So it does take a lot of time, as you can see right here, just like this. So let's just go around and change around the level of detail right here. So just for the preview, you can see that it does take a bit of time. So now what I'm going to do is to make everything quicker, I'm just going to go around and reduce out the resolution of the image right here as I import it out. So let's just go around over here, and then I'm going to go around and import this right here, just like this. And then let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and resample this. So I'm just going to go around and resample this out right here onto, let's say, for example, this new resolution right here. So let's just go around and resample right here, just like this, onto inches. And let's just go around over here and say the image size would be 150 dots per inch, just like this. So now you can see that it is way pixelated, so it would be much more faster to do a trace of it. So now if I were to go around onto outline trace, I can go around onto line art, and you can see that this is how it would be traced out right here. So if it was in higher resolution, then you would get the better result, but it does take a bit more time for loading the preview for it. So you can see that this is the outline trace, and you can change around the level of detail, and this is the output that you have right here, just like this. So now what I'm also going to do is change around the smoothness, and you get the changes out over here on the preview accordingly right here. And apart from that, you can see that this is what you have. You can also go for logo type of a trace right here, and then it eliminates the lines and so forth right here, change around the level of detail. You can go for a detailed logo right here as well, so you got more of this type of a trace. You can go for a clip art sort of a trace right here, low quality image trace, or high quality image trace right here as well. And you can see that accordingly the graphics actually changes out right here. You can change around the smoothing level according to how you want as well, and change around the corner smoothing as well, and increase and decrease it out according to how you want right here. So let's just go around over here onto line art, let's say, for example, and this is what you have, and high quality image is this. So let's just go around and change around the level of detail, and then change around the corner smoothing right here, and this is what you have. But I guess like the line art would be good in this case right here, and this is what I have. So once you're happy, you simply need to go ahead and press OK, and then on the top you can see that a trace has happened right here, just like this. And this trace is in vector format, and that is how you can go ahead and utilize the outline trace option inside of Corel Draw. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.